How to enable automatic video captions on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to enable automatic video captions on Instagram. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you're hard of hearing or you just like to scroll Instagram without your device's sound being on, it can be frustrating watching a video and not being able to tell what someone is saying. Luckily, there's a new feature that can help. Watch this video to learn how to enable automatically generated captions for videos on Instagram. So to enable automatic video captions on Instagram, first open up the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now tap in the menu icon in the top right hand corner, then tap Settings, tap on the option that says Account, and now tap Captions. Then tap the switch to enable captions. Once you enable this feature, when scrolling on your Instagram feed, video posts you watch will show automatically generated captions on the screen. If you want to turn it off again, just turn the switch back to grey. And that's all it takes to enable automatic video captions on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.